If you've ever gotten that urge to create just for the sake of creating, but you don't quite know what to do, don't worry, I got you. I'll show you what I do. Lately, I've been doing a lot of freeform drawing, and it's actually just like doodling. I just start with some shapes, and I kind of fill the page very randomly, and I don't even think about it. I don't think about the lines. I just do. I just kind of fill things in, whatever makes sense, and it doesn't have to be perfect. And actually, I'm not trying to be perfect. I'm just kind of drawing and doodling things in. And then basically what we're going to do, we're going to fill it in. We're going to fill in these spaces, and we're going to make an incredible design out of this. So let's see what happens. Well, I'm using these Sharpie markers, and I'm just filling in. Okay, folks, we're at the end of this piece. There's not much to it. I just put down random lines and fill them in. You can doodle any way you want. You can scribble on a page. You can write words. There's endless possibilities. But let me show you the end result. I really like how this came out. I love expressing myself this way. This is just the way I do it. But you can find your own way and your own way of expression in doodling. And like I said, the possibilities are endless. I hope you got something out of this video. I hope you got some ideas. If you like this video, please like, comment, and share. And don't forget to subscribe. I love you all. Yahweh bless. And remember, your art has the power to change the world. Peace out.